Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today we have to find out how to calculate deadline for any task. Boss assigned me one project on 10th of March and boss gave me 3 months. How to find out actual deadline? Because 3 months, if I go by that deadline, then the project has to be delivered by this plus 3 months. So I can take 90 days. So this is the deadline. But guys, this deadline is not right. How to calculate right deadline? Because this is inclusive of Saturday and Sunday. So how do we calculate the deadline exclusive of Saturday, Sunday and keeping the holidays in mind? Let's see how do we work on that. So we have a function called Workday International. So Workday International got four argument: start date, days, weekend and holidays. So start date 10th of March the project was assigned, and days I can take total 90. Weekend, Saturday Sunday is the weekend, you can see that. And holiday, now what is holiday? That list which already we have mentioned from D5 through D8. This is the holiday. This is the holiday list which we have selected. You can see that this is D5 through D8, and this is the deadline, 18th of July. The project has to be submitted. I hope you found this useful. For more such videos, share, subscribe and love my channel. Thank you so much.